Hey y'all, so I was going on vacation and wanted to do a really quick style. Y'all know I love Marley twists. Usually I started off with a braid, but I want to do something different. So I'm taking this, what I usually use this to put beads on Amara's hair, but instead I put that through where my rubber band was, then took the end of the Marley twist hair and brought it through. Then I just measure it to make sure that it's the same length. And then I split my hair into two, blend it in with the Marley hair, and please don't mind her in the background. And then I just start twisting. So it gives it that invisible twist method. You know what I mean? So this was very easy. It didn't hurt at all. You can use a crochet needle, but I don't like putting that metal loop through the rubber bands because it hurts, and this is much easier. This is what it looks like. Let me know if you want a full tutorial.